Guys, today we talk about how can you add fail to customers on your Shopify app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, just go down, click on this sign down here. So when you click on this sign here, it's going to show for you a list like this. And you click here on settings. So when you click on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, you just go down here and you click here on custom data, click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list and you come here to customers, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list and come here to add new fields to customers, click on here add definitions, click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list and here for this here you add name and namespace and k in description, and here can if you want to select type, and here if you want to disable or enable here accesses, then when you down you click here on save, then it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.